heated steering wheel. It's freezing outside. Sure feels like the middle of winter, man. Anyways, heading to the gym. Just got off work. And pretty cold day. Felt like the coldest morning so far this winter, so yeah, we're heading to the gym. Had a pretty busy weekend. I could not film any content this weekend, unfortunately, so we are running dry. We need to film more, and yeah, so that's what we're doing today. Anyways, welcome back to another video, guys. I appreciate you tuning in, and let's talk about stuff. Drive the M4, and to be honest, I don't really have much to talk about. Kind of just cruising, enjoying being off of work. Tomorrow I'm going to a Kraken game. That's our hockey team in Seattle. Going with my fiance, so that'll be a really fun time. Kind of weird doing that on a Wednesday in the middle of the week, but I don't know. Hopefully that ooh, G82. Hopefully that takes the stress out of our weeks, makes it go by a little quicker. So should be a fun time, man. Went to a wedding this weekend. I don't know what this person's doing. Went to a wedding this weekend, and pretty fun time, I must say. Met up with some old friends from college. So made the most of it. This weekend I was driving back home, and about an hour drive, 45-minute drive on the highway. I really wish I had my GoPro on me. I didn't, but I was driving home and I was just cruising with this tuned WRX STI, and it was super fun. Had a few other cars jump in the mix and cruise with us, and a couple motorcycles. Me and this motorcycle cruised for like the last 20 minutes all the way back to the same exit, pretty much. I think he was the exit before me, but really fun time. A lot of poles, a lot of high RPMs, and it would have been the perfect video, dude, but I just forgot my camera. So reminder, if you're a content creator, keep your camera on you. So I hear sirens. I don't know where they're coming from. So, anyways, we're gonna hit shoulders and arms today. That's what we're doing at the gym. Gonna make it a good workout. Got some pre-workout in me. A little caffeine, pick me up. It's not gonna be a crazy long workout, but it'll be good. And yeah, I'm gonna be busy for the next few weeks, so I don't really know how much time I'm gonna be able to spend with the car and filming content for the channels, but I'm gonna do my best. Really just in the thick of the wedding planning stuff. And to be honest, it's a little bit more difficult than I was anticipating. Luckily, my fiance is doing pretty much all the work, but you know, there's still stuff I gotta do. I got my DJ from college that DJ'd our frat parties. Yes, I was in a fraternity. Do not judge me. It was a great time. But I got him DJing our wedding, which is gonna be sick. And I gotta get all my list of people down that I want to come and get all their addresses and all that. So it's kind of a lot of work, low-key, but we'll get it done. The sunlight is nice. We're getting good weather lately, which has been great. Roads have been dry finally, and it's been fun to drive the car without feeling like I'm gonna slip out and crash. So yeah, hopefully the weather keeps up and we don't get any rain, but it has been freaking cold. So anyways, man, I'm gonna go hit this shoulder workout. I gotta figure out kind of what my plan is for the car this year. So, you know, as I've said previously, I've been sitting on these coilovers, these Fortunato coilovers, for ever. Like, dare I say 4 or 5 months. Yeah, haven't installed them yet. So that's gonna be my next mod, and we're gonna have fun with that. That's gonna be super sick. The only thing I need to make sure is I have aftermarket wheels that are pretty wide. And I'm running 305s in the rear, and my concern is that they're going to be too wide for the aftermarket like struts. So I don't want any sort of, I've seen people, the inside of the wheel will kind of rub up against the strut actually. So I got to make sure that that's not going to happen before I get ready to take my wheels off and all that stuff. So I got to do a little bit more research. I think I'll be fine. Because I gave my wheel specs to Fortunato before I ordered them. I'm pretty sure. I can't remember. I'll have to go back and look. But or best case scenario is they have OEM fitment and they fit exactly as, you know, like a 1-to-1 ratio as OEM struts do. Hopefully that's the case. If not, we'll figure out a next step. I kind of want to get 6.6M comp wheels, give it a more OEM plus look, but I'm not looking forward to spending that money anytime soon. So yeah, anyways, have a great day. Have a great rest of your week. That's it for me. I'm gonna go crush shoulders and have a good workout. Hit the sauna. So as always, drive safe. Tune in for another video soon, and I'll keep you updated with what we are doing with the car. Trying to save money for a house too, which is kind of hard when you're driving a car like this because you want to mod it, you want to do fun things to it, but you kind of got to take care of your future self. Save money for a down payment for a house, build a family, get married, have kids. So that's all stuff we're dealing with, and we're gonna figure that out. So drive safe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.